Hi guys, Sai is here back with another interesting and most important video, and this is CMF One device, and my device is bricked due to some reasons. The maybe in your case you also facing these issues, like I brick my device because I update my device and my device is rooted. Due to some reasons my device is bricked. Maybe your situation is also same, or if you, in your case maybe situation is different, like if you are going to root your device, or if you're going to install custom recovery on your device, or if you want to install any custom ROM, and on the situation what happened, by mistakenly your device gonna brick. So in this video I'm gonna talk about how to unbrick CMF One device. Okay, so watch this video till then, and if you're new on this channel then don't forget to subscribe. Also join our Telegram channel where I provide important files updates. Without any wasting of time, let's begin. Okay guys, let's move on the process. So first of all you need to extract the downloaded file. Okay, so I will provide link on pin comment of this file. So simply extract this file. After done extraction of this file, you need to open this file and you will get the flasher tool here. So double click on flasher tool. Okay, when you click on flasher tool, the flash tool will be open. So in flash tool it will ask you like what is the model of your CMF device. So select your model. Okay, then one button is there which is start button. Click on start button. The flashing process will be start. Must connect your device before you going to click on start button. Okay, so if your device in fast boot mode or in Bootloop mode, no matter, just connect your device, then click on start button and the flashing process will be started. So as we can see, it will take a little bit of time, so don't skip any part. Okay guys, when the flashing process is done successfully, then green color bar is came. As we can see here, it is the green color bar is came. That means the flashing process is done successfully. So this is the video. If you like this video, then please like and share this video. See you in the next video. Love you guys. Goodbye. Take care.